Now, let me list these three things here. These three things that most people ignore. And I need you to pay attention. Number one, uncertain economy. I repeat, uncertain economy. Number two, high inflation. High inflation. Number three, low spending power. Now, here's the question. Which business model do you think still wins, no matter what? The answer is simple. Service-based solutions tied to recurring problems. Let me explain. During a recession, people tend to stop buying non-essential items because you have little money coming in, so you want to protect yourself because on essential items. But they never stop paying for what keeps their life or business running. They may cancel luxury, but they protect survivors. So here's the model. Solve an ongoing problem for a specific group of people and get paid repeatedly. That's it. Not one-time sales, not high products, not viral ideas. Let me break it down for. Let's start with the first one. Services beat products in hard times because services adapt. For example, marketing, sales, support, operations, admin, logistics, visibility. These are needs, not trends. The second one is the fact that recurring problems create recurring income. Monthly management, weekly support services, retainer services, subscriptions like your DSTV today. Now, stability beats excitement. Take for instance, someone who manages social media pages for a customer must remain on retainership. And what that means is that he or she earns monthly. Question here is this. What can you provide as a service that your customers will need you to provide either weekly or monthly to keep the business going? It is simply a recurring problem, and that creates a recurring income. The good part of this is this. Every service-based business can design a business model that allows for recurring solution. Professionals like doctors, lawyers, engineers, just name it, are well positioned for this very service-based business. You just have to think. The third thing people ignore is the fact that businesses outsource more during recessions. So look around the globe today. Most countries with a recession have a lot of things in common. Their businesses cut staff strength but ensure they keep the results. In 2009 also, during the recession in this country, Nigeria to be precise, the banks asked a lot of employees to go. I was affected at the time. But you know what? They were focused on achieving the same results they had targeted from the beginning of the financial year, even with a retrenchment. Now, if you can provide services that can help them save money or make money, you become recession. But here's the big mistake people make. They chase what's flashy during good times and then panic during bad times. Smart entrepreneurs build boring, dependable systems that print quiet. So if you are starting with little or no money, don't ask what is trending. Ask what problem has been in existence and is not going away. That's the business model that always wins. Now be honest with me. Do you agree that this model always wins? But before you respond in the comment section, let me show you one very important business model that even in a recession, you will keep making money. It is joining our real estate referral program, the Hills and Harvey Real Estate Referral Program. And here are facts. The population of citizens is always growing. People are maturing and leaving their parents or guardians to go and own their own house or live separately. Young men and women are getting married and starting anew. So I'm not expecting you to go and start building a house today, but you can join our referral program, be able to achieve building a house for yourself, and then start by making income on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis, depending on your focus and the level of energy you put into it. That's a recurring problem. Your service can generate a recurring income for you, even if we are in a recession. And listen here, people will always buy real estate. It is a sure buy. People will always buy real estate. Your job is to position yourself. You could even start from your office, even if you are working with an organization. Make it a side hustle for yourself. You could start with your relation who is making money now and needs to build a future for his or herself. Your friends and relations are all over the country, and some are even abroad. And start with those numbers, pitching your product before them and getting them to buy, so you can start feeding your recurring problems with a recurring income. Now, the truth is they want to create assets for themselves. Those your family, friends, and relatives, they want to create assets for themselves. So you simply need to refer them to us and make your commission from each sale you make. It is that simple. You don't need an office. You don't need inventory to keep. You don't need to pay for adverts yet. Simply join our team and we'll show you what to do. All we need right now is your time, like I said, and commitment. That's about all we need from you to be able to get on board with us. And let's help navigate you through your 2026 roadmap of basically starting a business without money. So if you're interested, send us a DM via WhatsApp. Of course, the numbers will be displayed here on the screen. Just say, I am interested in your referral program. Having said that, now go ahead and answer my question. Do you agree that this model always wins? I'll see you again. Bye for now.